Turning handwritten notes into digital text is never easy. Plenty of tools promise great results, but one name remains underrated, and that name is ChatGPT. In today's video, we will analyze how it performs best across different types of text. Here you can see I have a handwritten note and I want to convert it into editable text. Now let's start doing it using Google Docs first. In order to use Google Docs, you need to be connected with your Gmail account. If you are logged out, then first log in and then click on this dot-like symbols. From here, select Drive, and in Drive, go to New and upload the file that you want to convert it into editable text. My file is named with marks, so I'm going to choose it. When file is uploaded, go to my Drive, right click on the file, and from here select Open with, and in this select Google Docs. In the Google Docs at the top you will see your image, and after that you will see the converted text. Now here you can see that although it has converted the image into editable text, it will still take me some time to put it in the required format. So I can see that the Google Docs actually not smart enough to convert it into the table format. Let's see doing it with the ChatGPT. Let's paste our image here and try to convert it using ChatGPT. Click on this plus sign and upload the file here. Okay, and let me type a short query for this. ChatGPT, read the text in image and give me the information in table format. And let's wait for some time. And here you can see that ChatGPT has provided me the information in the required format. I can simply copy it from here and paste it into the Excel file for processing. So, the best thing about ChatGPT is that it provides you the flexibility to format any text according to your requirement. If you liked today's video, then don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my channel, and please drop a comment if you find this video useful.